Hello and welcome to the PC Error Detective YouTube channel. In this video, we will show you how to open D drive in command prompt step by step. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tutorials. Step 1. Click on the Start button in the bottom left corner of your screen and type CMD in the search bar. Step 2. Click on Command Prompt from the search results, right-click on it, then select Run it as an administrator. Step 3. Once the Command Prompt window is open, you will see a blinking cursor. Step 4. Type this command and press Enter on your keyboard. Step 5. You should now see the command prompt change to D, indicating that you have successfully opened the D drive. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.